All right, everyone, here we go. First unboxing video. Anybody that's in the that owns a swept line knows that until I don't know, 72, something like that, power steering wasn't an option on these vehicles. I've been doing a lot of research. Every couple months I'll do a search on the internet, and lo and behold, a couple weeks ago I came up with a search on eBay for a company called Modified Specialties. I think his name on eBay is ezsteer. Contacted the gentleman. He's in Texas. He makes several conversion kits for different vehicles. I emailed him a couple times and we talked about this, and it seems like this should work just fine. I'm not sure if it's going to go 100% without modification, but this is just the unboxing video. We'll see what the kit comes with. According to the conversations I had with him, this should be a bolt-on system. I'm cautiously optimistic. First impression is it looks very well packed. The box is fairly heavy. Top for the power steering pump. Power steering lines. One of them is adjustable. I'm assuming because we don't know how long that's going to be. The fittings look great. They look like they're made just aftermarket, probably Houseman, something like that. I think that's what we have in California. Bracket. We'll have to figure out which one that is. That looks like it might go on a steering column. Sorted nuts, bolts, washers, bearing. The bearing gets me optimistic that that might go for the bottom of the steering shaft housing. We'll see. Bracket. Pitman arm, which we know may or may not work for us. With the push-pull steering, it might work even depending on what lift we have. I'm getting ready to install about a 4 to 5 inch lift on my truck. We'll see how that goes. Try not to drop that on my toes. I'm wearing flip-flops today. Southern California. It is 10:30 in the morning on Labor Day weekend Sunday, and it's 106 degrees outside already. Fantastic. Another mount. These look to be custom made, just judging by the finish work on them. They're not bad, they're just not perfect. Let's see what's in this box. Pulley, chrome, how nice, nice touch. It'll be the only second piece of chrome I have in the engine compartment, but that's fine. Spline. This might be the coupler for the steering shaft, the steering box. Yes, it is. I'm wondering, yeah, it does look like, so it looks like the splines are lined up to go on, hopefully, the stock steering shaft, and then into our steering, excuse me, go onto the steering box and have the arm adjustable there. We'll see. Like I said, this is we're hoping this goes all together. Packing material, the steering box. I'm not sure what steering box this is. And this should be, of course, pull this out. Steering pump. Flange bracket for, I'm not sure, I'll find out. And what every W200 owner wants to see, a steering pump that's supposed to work on his vehicle. Let's hope so. Let's hope so. There's a QR code on there. If you're interested to look at that, I'll see if this tells me what that's for. It does say REM FG, remanufactured. I'm okay with that. I never have an issue with remanufactured stuff. Like I said, maybe we'll look up and see if it'll tell us exactly which one that is. Let this out. Get that out of the way. Here is a list, and I'm hoping there's directions somewhere around here. Big block Mopar power steering bracket, awesome. Center front wheels is all installation stuff. Very cool. Very nice. Very nice. I'm liking this. It looks very very clean. It looks like the directions are all in readable English. They aren't transferred. Not that that's horrible, but sometimes if you order something from China or Japan, it comes across and the translation isn't exactly correct. Bleeding air from power steering systems is nice. Bleeding instructions. Signs of trapped air. So it looks like a very straightforward system. I'm not sure, I don't know, I'm pretty mechanically inclined. We'll see how that goes. That would be it.